welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be doing a tap move. It is called the paddle and roll. But before we get into the video, if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to the channel because it really does help, but it'll also help you guys to know when my next video comes out. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for the paddle and roll, you're gonna start with your heel out, and it doesn't matter which heel you use. It can be your right or left. I'm using my right foot. My heel's down, toes are up. You're going to brush back. So you're going to do heel, brush. And when I brush back, you're going to be using more so the ball of your foot, which is in this area. So you're not really using the heel when you brush back. It's this part that you're using. So we go heel, brush. And now from here, your foot is up. You're going to bring it down, toe. So toes are down, and then step heel. So to the side, looks like this. Heel, brush, toe, heel. Okay, again. Heel, brush, toe, heel. Back to the front. Ready, and heel, brush, toe, heel. Good. Opposite side, which is my left foot. We go heel, brush, back, toe, heel. To the side, it's heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. So let's do it a couple times, right to left, without any stops. Ready, and heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. Very good. Same thing to the back, 2 times. Ready, and heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. Okay, let's crank it up a notch. We'll go a little bit faster. We're going to do it 4 times this time, starting with our right foot, but if you want, you can start with your left. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to do it 4 times and a bit faster. Here we go. Ready, and heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. Again, same thing to the back. 4 times, here we go. Ready, and heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. Okay, 2 more times. We're going to do it a little bit faster. Okay, to the front, and then we'll go to the back. Get yourself ready. Here we go. And to the back. Ready, and so once you feel really comfortable and you want to go really fast, it can look a little something like this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.